Take a moment to pause. Listen to the hum of life that surrounds us, often hidden in the smallest corners of our world. In our quest to understand this microcosmos, we sometimes look to the future. But let's be clear, what you're about to hear isn't a list of official research announcements or guaranteed breakthroughs. These are predictions, possibilities shaped by real challenges, emerging studies, and the collective imagination of today's scientific community. In other words, think of this as a conversation about what might be in the realm of the very small. So, settle in, grab a microscope if you have one, and prepare to dive deep into 10 fascinating trends that could shape the future of microbiology, medicine, and beyond. And as always, let us know your thoughts. Your perspective matters in this vast universe of ideas. First on our list, a revolution in phage therapy. If bacteria have become resistant to antibiotics, why not unleash a virus that specifically targets them? Bacteriophages. Scientists imagine customized phages engineered to attack stubborn superbugs, potentially saving lives in critical care settings. But will these microscopic predators become widespread in hospitals? If so, we could be seeing the dawn of an age where designer phages help outsmart resistant bacteria. Let us know in the comments, can you picture phage therapy in your local clinic? Imagine bacteria designed to recycle plastic or produce eco-friendly fuels. With CRISPR and other gene editing tools, scientists hope to build microbes from the ground up, tailor-made to solve pressing environmental issues. It's a bold vision, living, self-replicating machines cleaning our planet. Is this the future of green tech, or step too far into the unknown? We want your opinion. Does modifying life in such a precise way excite you or concern you? Our planet is teeming with microbes. From the scorching sands to polar ice, from hydrothermal vents to your backyard pond. The Earth Microbiome Project aims to map every microbial community on Earth piece by tiny piece. By cataloging these invisible ecosystems, we might uncover new enzymes, potential medicines, and insights into how life evolved. It's an endless puzzle, and each sample adds a vital piece. Oil spills, plastic pollution, heavy metals, these are monumental challenges. But nature has an army of cleanup specialists, bacteria and fungi. Bioremediation uses these tiny champions to degrade or neutralize pollutants, leaving cleaner soil and water behind. Some labs dream of engineered superbugs that might tackle the most daunting toxic dumps. But should we give microbes the power to reshape our environment, or is that power best left in nature's hands? Clouds, rain, snow, a complex dance in the sky. Certain bacteria can trigger ice crystal formation, potentially influencing weather patterns. Some researchers wonder if we could harness these microbes for cloud seeding to alleviate droughts. But as with any form of geoinspiration, there are risks and uncertainties. Is it a lifeline in a climate-challenged world, or do we risk further imbalance in Earth's natural systems? Chime in with your perspective. Life thrives in the most hostile corners of our planet. Boiling hot springs, acidic lakes, frigid poles. These organisms, called extremophiles, challenge our understanding of biology. Many scientists believe that if life exists beyond Earth, it might resemble these hardy microbes. Studying them now could be a dress rehearsal for discoveries on Mars or Europa. It's a cosmic question. Are we alone, or are the extremophiles hinting otherwise? Imagine a portable device loaded with engineered bacteria that light up in contact with a toxin, or that change color when they detect a harmful pathogen. In remote regions with limited medical infrastructure, such biosensors could be revolutionary. It's a convergence of biology and technology, turning living cells into living diagnostics. Could this be the future of rapid health checks, or do we need more time to refine and ensure safety? We think of ourselves as human, but we're also home to countless bacteria and viruses. This swirling micro-ecosystem, our microbiome and Bioremediation, has surprising effects on immunity, allergies, and even our mental health. Understanding how these tiny citizens of our body interact could transform everything from cancer treatments to personalized nutrition. Science stands on the brink of discoveries that might redefine how we see ourselves inside and out. Trees and plants aren't solitary. Beneath the soil, they connect with fungal networks and bacterial communities, exchanging nutrients and boosting carbon storage. Some researchers hope to harness this synergy, developing soils and root systems that more effectively lock away carbon dioxide? Will the forest floor's invisible custodians give us a fighting chance against climate change? Or is that too optimistic? Your feedback can spark a deeper conversation. The global population is growing, resources are stretched thin, and conventional farming has limits. Enter single-cell protein. We can cultivate algae or yeast that yield nutrient-rich, eco-friendly alternatives to traditional meat. It's a laboratory-born vision of a sustainable food supply. Will we be dining on microbe-based burgers in a decade, or will taste and tradition keep us tied to the old ways? Let's talk about it in the comments. And there you have it, 10 glimpses into possible futures of the microcosmos. None of these are certainties, but each reflects the challenges, dreams, and questions at the intersection of science and society. We'd love to hear your take. Which of these predictions seems most plausible or most exciting? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this exploration, please tap that like button, subscribe for more adventures in the hidden realms of life, and share this video with curious friends. After all, the journey to discover the microworld is just beginning. Why not bring everyone along? Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time, somewhere beneath the microscope.